Aim of this practical is to perform different psychrometric processes, cooling and humidification. So for humidification, we have to add water in this humidifier. After adding water in the humidifier, we have to start the apparatus. We have to switch on the AHU unit, air handling unit. We have to switch on the compressor for the cooling effect, and we have to switch on the humidifier so that the heater in the humidifier will start. After some time, the water in the humidifier will heat it up to the 90 or 100 degrees Celsius. So it will generate the heat, it will generate the steam which flow through the evaporator, in which the air will take water amount, or we can say that the moisture amount from that steam. So the outlet air conditions, outlet air have more amount of moisture content as compared to the inlet air. So by using sling psychrometer, we can measure the WBT and DBT temperature of the both side, inlet side as well as the outlet side. Now using flow meter, we can measure the velocity of the air which is coming out from the air outlet duct. We can also take reading of dry bulb temperature with the help of this flow meter. Now let's do the calculations. So for sensible cooling and humidification, we required inlet DBT WBT as well as outlet DBT and WBT. So here we have 24.5 degrees Celsius DBT and WBT is 17.5 degrees Celsius at the inlet condition. Air velocity is 3 meter per second. Outlet DBT is 22.5 degrees Celsius and WBT is 17.5 degrees Celsius. So we can easily calculate flow rate as rho AV. So density of the air, which is 1.2 kg per meter cube, area of the duct, which is 0.051 meter square, and the velocity, which is 3 meter per second. So we will get flow rate as 0.1836 kg per second. Now the amount of heat rejected by the air we can calculate by using equation H1 minus H2. So for getting value of H1 and H2, we can use psychrometric chart. So from the inlet condition, you can locate the point 1 in the psychrometric chart from the value of DBT and WBT. Similarly, from the value of outlet condition of DBT and WBT, you can locate the point number 2 in the chart. So after locating point 1 and 2 in the chart, you can get the value of enthalpies H1 and H2 from the chart. And difference between enthalpy shows the amount of heat rejected in a cooling process, and from the value of specific humidity from the chart, you will get the amount of moisture content increased in the outlet condition of the air. So this is how a cooling with humidification process takes place in the experiment.